Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry effectively. First, focus on building a strong foundation by understanding core concepts. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to reviewing new material. Mastering the periodic table and common chemical formulas is crucial for success. Consistent practice with balancing chemical equations will significantly improve your problem-solving skills. Remember, regular revision, perhaps once every 7 days, helps solidify your knowledge and prevents forgetting important details. To truly grasp chemistry, active learning is key. Don't just read, actively engage with the material. Try solving at least 5 to 10 practice problems every day to apply your knowledge. Making flashcards for important definitions, formulas, and reactions can boost your memory retention. Visualizing concepts through diagrams, like molecular structures, helps immensely. Furthermore, explaining a topic to someone else, even if it's just your reflection, reinforces your understanding and highlights any gaps. Chemistry isn't just theoretical, it's all around us. Try to link what you learn in class to everyday phenomena like cooking or cleaning. Make full use of your textbook and explore online resources or educational videos for different perspectives. Laboratory sessions are invaluable. Pay close attention to the procedures and observations. Collaborating with a small study group of 3 or 4 people can provide new insights and help clarify difficult topics through discussion and shared problem solving. When it comes to exams, early preparation is your best friend. Begin reviewing at least 2 to 3 weeks before the test date. Practice solving previous examination papers to familiarize yourself with the format and common question types. This also helps you manage your time effectively. Pinpoint your weaker areas and dedicate extra study time to them. Finally, ensure you get at least 8 hours of sleep the night before an assessment. A well-rested mind performs significantly better.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.